Hello world! We know that you play games a lot, whether it's on your computer or mobile device. But have you ever thought what path a game has to go through to get to your device? A game has to be developed and then get to a platform where you can purchase or download it. So how does it all work? We at PlayIt Game Studio are ready to immerse you in the world of game development, or shortly, game dev. Actually, even one person can develop a game, but commonly it takes a whole team to make a good one. A basic small team requires a game designer, a developer or programmer, and an artist. All these roles can be taken on by one person, but it's still better when there is a specific one for each function who knows his or her job well. In huge game studios, there are even more roles, such as voiceover artists, animators, screenwriters, effects or VFX designers, and many more. We'll talk about those roles in our future videos, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on so you won't miss it. So, for example, in our small studio, we have a game designer. He develops the rules and mechanics of a game, fills it with different content, and leads the whole game development process as a project leader. Also, we have a developer who is in charge of all the code behind the scene. He always works in pair with the game designer and our artist. The artist is responsible for all the visual stuff you see on your screen. So basically, our game designer sets the idea of a game and leads the game dev process. The artist visualizes it, and the programmer writes the code that brings the game to life. But where can we do all these things? The main platform for creating a game is the game engine. There, we compile all the visual assets, sounds, and everything else into a completed product. You can either create your own engine or use one created by other companies under licensing. Small studios commonly use existing engines, while game dev giants create their own engines for their specific purposes. We will look at game engines in more detail in the future, but for now, just remember that they basically exist. The process of creating a game may look simple, but each step takes a lot of effort and time. Basically, you start with the general idea of a game, think through the rules and mechanics, and write it all into a specific document. Game design document. Then, the team implements all this into an actual game under game designer's supervision. After everything's ready, you need to publish your creation to a platform where your future players can purchase or download it. You can do it either yourself or find a publishing company which can help you do it in a more simple way, but it takes some costs. Which way is better depends only on you. So now you know a little better about the basics of game developing industry. Of course, we skipped a lot of important details, but don't worry, we'll cover everything in our future videos. And for now, thanks for watching and have a good one. From PlayIt with love.